What is Network Gateway computer? This is also in Toyota Prius car, and this purpose is to control like radio, navigation and dashboard activities. And this sends also, these are connector slots, and this sends also data to this multiplex computer, and this computer controls also radio and hybrid these signals. Okay, and then we have this network gateway computer replace, and we are now in this right area. There is steering wheel and this is display, and in that globe box, and here we have this network gateway computer, and there is really one 10mm bolt what I need to open, and then this part is free. Okay, and there is my 10mm, it's my tool, and I open this bolt. It is actually loosened. I can rotate that away. Let's look, and now there is different kind of bolt. Please check that there is in Toyota Prius many different screws and bolts, and use just similar bolts. Okay, and now this part opens, and there is connector, and I have to press this area and then pull out, and let's see that how I open that. Okay, and when I press this central area, then I can carefully take this part away, and these connectors, they are a little bit tight. Now this opens nicely, and now this part, this is free in here, and then it's good to check these codes in here that we install just similar part back in here. Okay, now we can see this my code in here. Okay, nice part.